Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for scoring cheaper flights. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right when it comes to cheaper flights? They've got the essentials down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your personal info stays safe from prying eyes while you hunt for deals. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, preventing your IP from leaking and messing up those flight searches. Plus, they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track your browsing history or flight searches. But where they differ, well, that's what really matters for getting cheaper flights. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best for cheaper flights because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be full of scams or fake travel deals, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect with friends for safe, custom browsing sessions. Perfect for comparing prices without exposing your location. The one small downside? A limit of 10 devices at a time. That device limit, though, is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections. So you can run it on your laptop, phone, and tablet all at once while checking multiple booking sites. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open-source software, so any savvy traveler can verify their privacy claims. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise. It's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable, reliable connection for your flight searches. And for anyone trying to dodge dynamic pricing or location-based price hikes, it provides a SOCKS 5 proxy for flexible routing options, which can help you simulate browsing from different regions. Just keep in mind you might lose a bit of encryption for that flexibility. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for surfing airline sites and snagging deals? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means quicker page loads and smoother price comparisons. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance can vary, with slower connections depending on the server you pick. So which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if speed is your top priority, you want to breeze through flight searches without any loading delays, or you want the best all-around VPN with the most features. Go with IPVanish if you juggle a lot of devices while researching trips, or share your account with family and friends. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're budget-conscious or a privacy-focused traveler who needs proven security. Its open-source apps and court-validated no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running to find your cheaper flights. See you soon.